Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to stop your iPhone from changing audio levels automatically. First, let's stop alerts from dropping when you look at your screen. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap directly on Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode to access the Secure menu. Scroll down to the Attention section and turn off Attention Aware features. This completely stops the front-facing camera from tracking your face to lower the ringer volume when you look at your phone. Next, let's stop your media from automatically capping or compressing its volume range. Navigate back out to the main settings menu, scroll up and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down and tap on Headphone Safety. Locate the toggle switch labeled Reduce Loud Sounds and turn it completely off. Now, if your iOS version has a separate speaker compressor option, go back to the primary Sounds and Haptics layer. Look under the built-in speakers section, locate the secondary Reduce Loud Sounds toggle, and flip it off to prevent dynamic range leveling. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.